Hi, it's Mrs. Freeman. We are going to talk about how to find a scale factor. So a scale factor, first off, you have to know what it is. A scale factor is what number do you multiply to get from one thing to the next, right? We're going to usually be talking about shapes. So when we're finding a scale factor, we're usually going to create a fraction. And the way I like to think of this is well, I guess in two ways. One way is your fake object, or the length or the dimension of your fake object on top, and then the dimension of your real object on the bottom. And sometimes I think of it as the dimension of your new object on top and the dimension of your old object or shape or figure on the bottom. And let's go ahead and take a look at this question and then another one, and I'll show you the scale factor. A race car has a length of 132 inches. A model of the same race car has a length of 11 inches. Find the scale factor. Well, in this case, I'm going to look at this example, fake over real, but new over old also works. My fake thing between these two, I have a race car and a model of a race car. So a model is not a real race car. It's just kind of an after image of the race car. So the model is the fake one that's going to go on top. That's 11 inches. Also, that model can be thought of the new thing. You can't make a model of a race car until you've made the actual race car first. So the actual race car was first, which means it's the older, in this case, car, and the model is the newer car. So then the actual race car is the real thing, and it's older than the model, so it's going to be 132 inches on the bottom. And now all we have to do is simplify. Units are going to cancel out because when we find a scale factor, it's just strictly a number. It doesn't have units with it. And then I'm going to simplify the fraction 11 over 132, and that's going to equal 1/12. Now, earlier I said that a scale factor is the number you multiply by to get from one to the other. Well, in this case, a scale factor is what you multiply, not in this case, in all cases. Your scale factor, you do your old or your real thing, real, times your scale factor. And that's going to equal your new thing or your fake thing. So that's what the scale factor really is you're trying to find what number am I multiplying this original shape by to get my new shape. That is scale factor.